Notice puddles under your coffee machine? Or maybe it's dripping water where it shouldn't? Don't panic. Today I'll show you how to find and fix leaks in your coffee machine step by step. From quick DIY fixes to part replacements, we'll cover it all. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to stop your machine from leaking and keep it brewing like new. Leaks can be frustrating, but they usually come from a few common places: water tank or reservoir, cracks, bad seals, or misalignment. Internal hoses, loose, cracked, or clogged. Pump or boiler connections, fittings that loosen over time. Group head gasket, worn rubber, letting water spill. Drip tray and overflow. Looks like a leak, but it's really just full. The key is to find the source before replacing parts. Let's go step by step. Before opening the machine, check the easy stuff. Remove the drip tray. Is it just full and overflowing? Check the water tank, cracks, or a loose valve at the bottom. Make sure the tank is seated properly in place. A huge number of leaks are simply an overflowing tray or a tank valve that's not sealing properly. To locate the leak, place dry paper towels under the machine. Run a brew cycle without coffee. Watch carefully where water drips or pools. Does it appear under the tank? From the group head? Out the bottom? Each point gives us a clue. Common external leak points: tank valve O-ring. If it's brittle, replace or lubricate with food-grade silicone grease. Group head gasket. If water sprays out around the portafilter, replace the gasket. They wear out every 1 to 2 years. Steam wand joints. Tighten or replace Teflon tape on threads if leaking at connections. These are quick fixes that often solve leaks without opening the machine. Opening the machine for internal checks. If the leak comes from inside, check silicone hoses. Are they cracked, swollen, or loose on fittings? Look at clamps. Sometimes they slip off with vibration. Inspect pump connections. Water dripping near pump often means a loose or corroded fitting. Boiler seals. If you see steam or dripping around the boiler, the gasket may need replacing. Tip: dry everything, then run the machine again to see exactly where it starts dripping. Most internal leaks are solved by replacing silicone hoses, cheap, cut to size. Replacing or tightening hose clamps. Replacing pump-to-boiler seals. Installing a new boiler gasket if it's leaking under pressure. If you're handy with basic tools, these repairs are straightforward. To avoid future leaks, always use filtered water, less scale buildup. Descale regularly to prevent clog valves. Replace group head gasket every 1 to 2 years. Don't force the tank or portafilter. This stresses seals. Think of it like car maintenance. A little prevention saves a lot of repair. So, a leaking coffee machine isn't the end of the world. Start simple: drip tray, tank, and gaskets. If that doesn't solve it, open up and check hoses, clamps, and boiler seals. Most of these fixes are inexpensive and can extend the life of your machine for years. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe to BrewFix, and let me know in the comments what kind of leak your machine had. I may feature it in a future troubleshooting video. Until next time, no more puddles, just perfect coffee.